Hello traders, in today's video we will talk about an intraday strategy. The strategy name is called straddle pyramiding. I'm saying it once again, straddle pyramiding. So what is straddle pyramiding? This is an intraday strategy. In fact, this is an algo strategy. We deploy the strategy in algo system. You see, if I will explain the strategy, I will explain the adjustments also. I will show you the backtest results also, and I will show how it has managed in backtesting also. So what adjustment the system has done or how it has done, I will show all the details in this video. And I want to tell you one more thing. You need not do the strategy in algo itself. Even if you do it manually, it will work. And let me tell you one more thing, that backtesting result is not reliable as what we think. Let's say you deploy an algo system or you backtest an algo system. Let's say it is giving you let's say it is giving you 2 lakh rupees profit. Backtesting result is giving you 2 lakh profit. You have any system and it is giving you 2 lakh profit. What you have to do, you have to consider 50% of what the backtesting result is giving. So let's say we are deploying a strategy, we are deploying a system, we are deploying adjustment, and if we backtest that strategy and if it gives you let's say 2 lakh rupees profit, you have to consider 50% only, because there is slippages, stop loss may not hit. So there are different kinds of issue when it comes to backtesting. That's why I'm saying I wouldn't say backtesting is not reliable. It is reliable, but you have to consider 50% only of what the backtesting result is giving. With that being said, I will show you what is the strategy. Right now, this is the strategy. So what we have done, we have tested it from 1st of January 2022 till November 17th 2022. Now till now what it has given a profit of 98,000, or let's say 1 lakh. So total margin, how much we required for the strategy? It is just 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees margin, and we have got a profit of around 1 lakh for this strategy. Now what is the strategy? I will explain you. Before that, let me show you the results also. So all this month, what from January till now, it has been in profit only. Only in November it is in a slight loss of around 1100. I am talking about one lot only. Now I don't want to bore you much. I will directly go to the strategy. What is the strategy itself? Okay. Now let us assume Nifty. Okay, Nifty is at 18,300. Okay, Nifty is at 18,300. What the system will do, or what we have told the system to do, is it will take a short straddle at around 9:30 or 9:40 or 10 o'clock, whatever, right? You don't have to worry about that. I will explain what the adjustment is, how the adjustment is done. Okay, now what it will do, at the money call option, it will sell one lot, and put option, it will sell one lot. Now after this, what we have told the system to do is, we have told the system to keep a 25% stop loss. Okay, this is a 25% stop loss. Now this is very simple. Now what happens, let us assume if Nifty from 18,000, this is 18,300, it is going towards 18,500. Let's assume Nifty has gone to 18,500. Now what will happen? Your put option, obviously, from maybe you have sold it for 200 rupees, it will go to around how much, 170 rupees, or maybe 160 rupees, or it will go to 150 rupees. We don't have to worry about that. But the call option, what you have sold for around 200, let's say 200 you have sold for call option, total premium you have collected 400 rupees, it will go to maybe 230 or maybe 250 or something else, right? Now what will happen here, we have kept a 25% stop loss. Once this 250 hits, system will exit the call option. Okay, system will exit the call option. Now what will happen next? This is 18,300 short straddle you have written. This is 18,000 short straddle. CE and PE you have written for 250. Okay, you have written for 250. This is the adjustment I am talking about. Now this is 25% stop loss, 25% stop loss you have kept on the both side. Once the market goes to 18,500, what will happen is this you have sold for 200, not 250. Okay, this call option, it will from 200 it will go to 250, since the market is going from 18,300 to 18,500. Okay, once this strike price of 18,300 call option reaches 250, system will exit this one. And what it will do, since the market has gone to 18,500, it will do one more straddle at 18,500. Earlier you had a straddle at 18,300, now you will have a straddle at 18,500. System will do? System will sell 18,500 call option and put option, maybe for another 200 rupees. This 200 rupees, whatever price I am saying, is just for logic. You don't have to you don't apply any logic, because to make you understand, I am just pricing it at 200 rupees. Okay, now what will happen? Now this put option, this call option is exited. Since the market went from 18,300 to 18,500, this 250 200 call option, 18,300 call option which you sold for 200 rupees had a stop loss of 25%, which is 250 rupees, and system exited. But this PE option will remain in the system. This PE option will remain in the system. Then system will deploy a 18,500 short straddle. Right now, what will happen next? Okay, hypothetically speaking, now first you had a 18,300 call short straddle. This is the first short straddle. Then market went to 18,500. Then this system exited the call option and deployed the second short straddle. If the market comes down again back to 18,300, let's say market comes back to 18,300, okay, what will happen is the put side will be exiting. This 18,500 put option, call option and put option, okay, this stop loss will be hit and this stop loss will continue. So here you are having this will continue, right? Call will continue. Market from 18,300 to 18,500, 18,500, again it is coming to 18,300. In 18,300 call option, short straddle, the call option is exited. Stop loss was hit on call option, but put option is still active. This is still active. Here call option from 18,500, again if it comes to 18,300, this call option will be active, but this put option stop loss would have hit. Now after this 18,000, market comes from 18,500 to 18,300, system will again deploy one more 18,300 or maybe 18,350 short straddle, right? So this is called pyramiding. This is a very, very simple strategy, and this is an effective strategy. Believe me, no one is going to tell any of this strategy in YouTube. You can search anywhere and nobody is going to talk about these strategies. Okay. These are all very, very ethical strategies, right? Now going back to this thing, let us see what happens, what had happened in live market scenario. I'll go to Conman and I'll show you this one, right? What happened exactly. Now let us assume 17th October, what system has done. Now 17th November, what system has done is, it has around 8, we have told the system to enter the strategy at around 9:30. So 9:30, 18,400 call option and 18,400 put option it has sold. 18,400 call option it has sold for 28, it was an expiry. And 18,400 put option it has sold for 42. Let's assume it has collected a total premium of around 70 rupees. Okay, around 9:59 stop loss has hit for 18,400 call option. Now after exiting that 18,400 call option, what the system has done has done is it has entered 18,400 short straddle again, right? So you are already having a 18,400 short straddle. Stop losses hit again. Now system is taking another short straddle at 18,400. So on the first short straddle, since the market has gone up, the call option is squared off, but still put option is pending, and another 18,400 is taken by the system. Now what will happen again? Since the market came down, again the stop loss was hit in 18,400 put option. Now 10:30 system exited the 18,400 put option and it deployed one more straddle at 18,350. You can see here 10:3 put 18,400 put stop loss was hit. Immediately system deployed one more short straddle at 18,350 call option, and both ended, that is the last one, that both ended in profit, right? One system, actually 18,000, then market went up, 18,350 call option was stop loss was hit, and system continued with just PE only. Okay, so this is the strategy, and at the end of the day, this strategy gave a profit of around 1,235. I'm talking about just one lot. This is not many lots. I'm just talking about one lot of strategy, right? So I hope you understand this strategy. If you have any doubts, and again I'm saying, you don't have to go to any algo, or you don't have to go to any quantman. You can go to quantman also. You can deploy this strategy, and I will write a forum about this strategy. You can let me know what you think about this strategy, and you can also let me know what you think on the comment section below. I hope you understand this strategy. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.